today, by the title of this video, you probably know already what we are making. Today, oh yeah, here's a wolf dog. Wolfie right here, Mr. Wolfie. Okay, go. No, gonna stay away. Okay, so yeah, today we are gonna make, by the title of this video, probably already know, a bubble wrap ball with all of this beautiful bubble wrap. Alright, so let's get into this video. So, I'm using this white bubble wrap right here for like the middle. So this is basically the core of it. And I'm just going to take some of the green bubble wrap and use this for the outside of it. And this is going to be like one of the giant rubber balls that like other YouTubers make, and then they katana them. I'm just going to build this and then do some fun tricks with it. There might be a part 2 to this video because I don't like making my videos too long. So, and guys, my Axe vs. Later challenge is coming out soon. Sorry for the hold up on that. But yeah, he's Mr. Rico. Mr. Rico. I think he might be my mascot. But yeah, so this is actually going to turn out bigger than I thought it was. It's not one of these massive bubbles where I spend like hundreds of dollars getting a big one. So yeah, so actually guys, this is actually turning out bigger than I thought it would. I actually thought it was going to be a lot smaller, and I still have a little bit more bubble wrap to use. Alright guys, so this is the ball so far. I mean, it's not that big. Like, there's my hand. Not really that big. Now I have the last huge layer of bubble wrap. So I'm just going to lay it on here nicely. And this is the one that I have to make look good. This is the outside, so we don't really care about looks until we get to the last outer part of it. Okay, now it's time for the duct tape. And then I think I might, after we do our tricks with it, I think I might destroy it in the next video. So if you want to like and subscribe, if you want to see that. Getting that pretty long piece of bubble wrap or duct tape here. These scissors are not. I have time to do it the old-fashioned way. I don't want to put too much tape because I don't want to really take away the bubble wrap part of the bubble wrap ball. So try to use as less tape as I can. I'm just making really long strips. Okay, this tape does not work, or the stupid thing does not work. Okay. Tape this up here. I mean, here it is, guys. It's not really that big of a bubble wrap ball. And then again, guys, sorry about the audio, but it's pretty good size, bigger than I thought it would be actually. So yeah, let's go do some tricks. Alright guys, so we're over here. I'm gonna try to, oh god, that didn't work. Alright guys, so right now, we're just gonna try to, can't get it. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna averagely, you know what I'm saying, throw it around and stuff. You can really do anything you want with your bubble wrap ball. So yeah, that's basically how you make a bubble wrap ball. And like, it doesn't make me think it's about bubble wrap. And I think in another video I'm actually going to destroy this. So stay tuned for that. Obviously, you're not going to throw it far as well. bubble wrap. Super light, but bubble wrap, super fun. So, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So, peace out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So yeah, peace.